Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I'm going to be cutting the side of my hair. I'm going to be trimming on the left side, the right side, as well as the back of my hair. Over here, I'm going to be leaving the top because I'm going to grow it out. So let's get started. I'm going to be wetting the top of my hair just so it's easier for me to cut the sides. And I'm going to be using this 360 mirror right here just to help out with cutting the back of my hair. Okay, first I'm going to start off with the left side and then make my way to the back. And I'll be doing this on the close lever, so this open, close. And if you're wondering how I'm cutting the back of my hair, I'm basically just following the sculpt of my hair. And for me, it's easier because the top of my hair is long already. So I'm kind of just pushing the top, my longer hair up and then cutting the short hair. Now I'm going to be doing the right side. Okay. For here, obviously you can use hair clippers to clip your hair, but I'm just going to be using the lazy way and using water. You can really see the contrast between the short sides and long top. Yep, I'm gonna keep going here, all the way, here as well. Basically the left, right, and back is gonna be short. Now I'm going slightly shorter, clipper number 1. I was using clipper number 2 before. And finally the clipper 0.5. And now I'm just using some thinning shears on top. Oof. See, this is what thinning shears can do to your hair. It removes the length but not the... Oh sorry, it removes the bulk but not the length. I think that's about it. You can see I'm not a professional hair barber by any means, so this is just amateur cut. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll quickly take a shower and show you the finished product. You can see here, the sides are shaved. All the back is shaved as well. And yeah, this is how you can easily cut your hair at home, just by buying a pair of trimmers, shaving the sides, make sure to fade a little bit. I'm gonna see how long I can grow the top of my hair, so that's why it's really long. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and check back next time.